we had to say grace. Why did we have to say grace? I'm gonna show you why in a second, right? But let me go and do my thing, you know what I mean? You gotta excuse me, cause I'm off that old school, bitch. I'm on that malt liquor, you dig? I had that Billy D earlier, right? I had that Billy D. I jumped on that Billy D, but now I'm on that King Cobra. Niggas don't know nothing about that shit. Niggas don't know nothing about no A. If you know about it, you know about it. But if you don't, I'm glad you don't. Here's a public service announcement. If you don't know about it, I'm glad you don't, because that means you didn't grow up like me and you were fortunate. But if you do, you can relate. Check this out. Check this out. My partner was telling me, say, man, I want to know how you be putting together the motherfucking seafood balls, right? So look what I did. I laid there, you understand, and I cut a whole video from top to bottom of how I whip my seafood ball, and this is with the wet sauce. I got one I do, you know what I'm saying, that's dry seasoning, but this one I did was with the wet sauce with the wizard pot. I'm gonna upload that on YouTube. This one going on YouTube too, but this is a totally different one. This one is a motherfucking mukbang, but my shit getting cold, so I'm gonna let you go and check that out. Check that out. You see that? Check that out. You see it. Check that out. You see that shit? Nigga, that's crawfish, corn, shrimp, sausage, snow crab, potatoes, lobster. Nah, I ain't got no lobster in there. I ain't got no lobster. I ain't gonna bullshit you. Hey, I ain't got no lobster in that hoe, but I do got my secret seasoning in that bit. You know what I'm saying? But like I say, potatoes, corn, andouille sausage. You know what I'm saying? And we need motherfucking potatoes. You see that hoe? That be wet. There's that sauce on that hoe. That be lit. Hey, that be lit. I should have put a little bit more sauce on the side, but I ain't got to. That bitch lit. And I got crawfish. Yeah, a lot of y'all ain't know. Motherfucking crawfish season just snuck up on a nigga ass. You know what I'm saying? Hey, could you get the waitress to give me a motherfucking something I could dump my trash in? Yeah. Yeah, I'm at my own private motherfucking restaurant. Hang out with a nigga. See how a nigga put down all that motherfucking seafood. Hang out. Thank you. Your tip gonna be real nice. Your tip gonna be the tip of this dick now. You knew that was coming. I know it. Yeah. But yeah, crawfish season going down. And like I said, this video going on my YouTube also. You know what I'm saying? So who tuning in? Cause I got a mound of motherfucking seafood, and I got 75% of that King Cobra left. So I'm gonna be here for a minute. Can you hear me? Y'all hear me out there? You know what I'm saying? You gonna take this motherfucker. This shit good. Take the motherfucker, put the bitch on. Straight up on YouTube. Fuck it. Ah, boy, that's some grown man business right there. Ice cold motherfucking beer out the freezer. You know what I'm saying? Ice cold motherfucking 40 ounce out the freezer. Crawfish, shrimp, corn. You know what I'm saying? Not about a pound, but about a mound, nigga. The mound, you know what I'm saying? About a mound. Let me see what that corn here for. Let me see what that corn here like. Say, fam. Yeah. That motherfucker corn on cob, though. Yeah. Nigga like me, I ain't gotta go nowhere. I ain't gotta go nowhere. I ain't gotta go get it nowhere. I know I do it my motherfucking self. I'm gonna let you look at that again before I knock a dent in that shit. You see that shit? You see that shit? Before I knock a dent in that shit? You see that shit? Boy, that shit that's about 10 pounds of motherfucking seafood. Hey, but before I knock a dent in that shit, I ain't gotta go nowhere. I can do it myself. You know what I'm saying? It's good. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Right there. Yeah. It's good. Crawfish season snuck in on y'all ass. Y'all over there worrying about something else. And I'm finding out where that motherfucking crawfish is. These hoes ain't big like they be in Port Arthur. But I found it. I found it. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Listen. A nigga ain't wasting not a kernel. A nigga ain't wasting a bitch ass thing. A nigga eating every kernel off this motherfucker. Hey. That's how you know when your shit good. That's how you know you done whip that motherfucking spoon and that shit good. Cause you ain't leaving a kernel on the motherfucking kernel. Corn on the. I'm drunk, nigga. I done drunk a whole motherfucking Coke 45 while I was cooking. And I done drank a half a motherfucking King Cobra. Matter of fact, that's why I'm mad on that hoe. You see that? That's why I'm mad on that hoe. Y'all gotta excuse me, that bit kind of spicy. But in the video while I cook it, and put that on my YouTube, you'll see all the spices and ingredients I use. I don't use no butter. In my sauce, I don't use no butter in my sauce. You know what I'm saying? Everybody use that butter in their sauce. But to get that hoe wet like that, I know you think I use butter. I know you think I use, look how wet that hoe is. Yeah, that bit wet. Excuse me. I know you think I use butter, but I don't use no butter in my sauce. I like this shit too much. See, the recipe requires about 5-6 sticks of butter. You know what I'm saying? Look how wet that hoe is. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. It requires you to put butter in it. But if you want some longevity eating this shit, you can't be putting all that butter in there, man. You know what I'm saying? Most niggas think you gotta put that butter in there. Most niggas think you gotta put that butter in there. I got a secret weapon. That bitch. A bit juicy. Yeah. This video going on my YouTube, though. What's up, though? Who out there doing what? Because right now, eating some motherfucking seafood with his leak. And I whipped it up my damn self. Every now and again, I'll try to take a break. But I get back on and I put that Wizard Pot on, man. Yeah, get one of these wet ass potatoes. You see that? See that wet ass potato? Next time, remind me, put some sauce on the side. Because you'll see in the video, I put sauce on the side for my crab. But I used all the sauce to drench my whole bag. Boy, hey, look, boy. I think that bag had about 5, 10, 15, 20. That bag had about 25. That bag had about 25, 30 pounds of seafood in it. You know what I'm saying? Easy. I cooked all that shit. So I can eat some of that shit later. What y'all doing out there? Listen, this one going on the YouTube. So you might as well make this hoe forever and chime in instead of just look. What's happening? Motherfucker, them, boy. Hey, this called mukbang. I don't know what the fuck that means, but that's what it's called. It's called mukbang. Right? I want a nigga later, you understand, and make a video where all he doing, motherfucker, me eating. See, I'm from the hood. I don't know nothing about that. But because I've been studying these motherfucking YouTubers and content motherfuckers, I realized, here you go, it's a mukbang, nigga. Yeah, mukbang net. Fuck it, yeah. It's a leg. But yeah, what's up, man? How at your boy, man? I'm getting full in the bill. Hey, I didn't have to dinner this year. Look. I didn't have to dinner this shit. But did I really go as hard as I thought? No, not yet. I'm gonna get full as, what they say, full as a tick. I guess a tick stomach small. But yeah, this is the mukbang, you know what I'm saying? What y'all doing out there? I ain't doing much enough. I'm just mukbanging on the bitch. Boy, when I found that crawfish. Hey, and look. Listen. I found that bitch at the prices a nigga normally get it in PA. I'm a bad motherfucker when it comes to looking for that seafood. I'll go up the street. I'll go up the street and find that hoe. Even if I got the Mitch Mac. If I got to get the shrimp over here, the crab over there, I'm on it. Let's bust the crab down and see what that do. Yeah. That's how lit. That's how lit. I ain't talking about nothing. I'm just mukbanging around that bit. I'm just big grubbing. Like I said, there's a video of me making this shit. So I said I was gonna go live eating this shit. Cause my partner wanted to see how I be whipping this shit together. So I went on, made a whole video. And shout out to my homeboy Claiborne. We got some shit coming. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna speak on it just yet. But shout out to my homeboy. Like my little boy said, voice crack. Yeah, hey, some of these crawfish, they were real healthy looking. They were already kind of like maroon, and they was alive. But this time around, I don't know who know about this, but I had some. If you know about this, chime in and tell me. I had some that was alive, and they were like, they was darker maroon than him, and he was alive. So I knew he was fresh, right? But then they had some hoe were gray. But normally, when they gray, they be dead and the tails be limp. These niggas was gray and them niggas was alive. That threw me off. I think I need to learn a little bit more about crawfish because that threw me off. You did? I had never seen that. So I guess that was just some old nigga crawfish. You did? But they wasn't that big, so I don't know. I don't know what it was. It probably was some old crawfish, but they was still alive, so that threw me off. Hey, nigga ain't leaving a kernel on this motherfucker. You done got full as a bit, but I respect you. You trying to hang with me. Can't do that. Can't do that. I ain't gonna leave a kernel on this hoe. I'm full of the bit though. What you talking about? It's on my YouTube. Hey, look at that bit. If you see a kernel on pussy, hey, I still got a long way to go. I ain't even ate a quarter of that hoe. I ain't even ate a quarter of that hoe. I ain't even drank half my 40. I quit. Hell no, I'm gone. I'm still going for this. Hey, what they call it? Mukbang? Yeah, nigga. Mukbang. It's for my YouTube. Straight from my YouTube. Yeah. Motherfucking shrimp wet. It's that wet sauce. Now, I do a dry sauce. That's when I don't feel like making. That's why I don't feel like making my my wet sauce. All the seasonings you're gonna see me use on the YouTube video, that's basically what I use on my wet sauce. But it's another step that I use when I make it wet. Yeah. So the dry sauce is basically about 5 or 6 seasonings that I use. But I don't use no salt, because some of them shits probably already got salt in them. So I don't use no salt. When I'm making this shit, I don't use no salt. Because, like I said, some of that shit already got salt in it. So, I put no salt, and I put no butter. Just trying to keep it as healthy as you can. But that bitch still wet, right? Most people, they use butter to make their shit wet. You gotta use too much butter. You gotta use too much butter. See that bitch? That bitch ain't dry. You gotta use too much butter to make that hoe that wet. You see how wet that hoe is? I don't use no butter. But I'm still getting some delicious results. You know what I'm saying? I still get some real delicious results. I don't use no butter. Yeah. My own recipe. Check me out. I ain't gotta go to no seafood place. I cook that shit myself. Give me the raw seafood, you know what I'm saying? Give me the raw motherfucking seafood. I know what to do with it. See, a lot of people don't know. A lot of people don't know, you know what I'm saying? I went to Job Corps, right? I won't fuck with welding. I'm gonna fuck with welding. But that shit burn nigga forearms up, burn nigga eyes up. If you ain't cautious and taking care of your business. So that's all I had. That's all I had to encounter. Burn eyes a couple times. Hot motherfucking welding little shit's jumping out. Burning up my motherfucking forearm. That's all I needed. You know what? I caught that culinary arts. I caught that culinary arts quick, fast, and in a hurry. So, cooking was one of my first loves. Cooking was one of my first loves. I don't mind cooking. But this right here is one of my little specialties. I done ate about I'm about at 25% now. But look, this has been a dope ass mukbang. Appreciate you, you know what I'm saying, for tuning in. But check out the video where I actually cook the shit. You gonna like that. Check out the video Wow, step by step. Cook this shit to trill perfection. I'm gonna finish my food and finish my beer. But yeah, this your boy Hezeleo with the Wizard Pot with a mound of seafood, man. It's going down. Yeah, yo.